Start record. Welcome to Raffles College of Higher Education Sdn Bhd. I am Nohazira, the head of the Human Resource Department.
Pleased to meet you, Miss Hazira. I am Nur Izzati.
Glad to meet you too, Miss Izzati. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How are you going today?
Very well, thank you. And how about you, Miss?
I am very well too. So, how was your journey here?
It was okay. It took me only 30 minutes from my house to this building car.
I have received your application for the position as an education counselor. For a start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nohazira and I would like to welcome you to this interview. To begin with, can you please briefly introduce yourself?
My name is Nur Izzati Binti Muhammad Redzuan. I am 24 years old. I graduated from Islamic Science University of Malaysia in counselling. I can speak fluently in English and Malay. I know how to use Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and editing slides with video. I can communicate well with others. I am a good team player, punctual, and always on time. I want to apply my knowledge, my skill in the field of counseling with an established organization that want to explore theoretical approaches to counseling and psychotherapy.
You said you have a degree in counseling. Could you share what you like about this field?
Yes, of course, I have a degree in counseling. First, let me tell you that counseling is about understanding client behavior, emotion, cognition in order to provide professional assistance and support in resolving their personal and psychological problems. There are many things that involve in counseling, such as designing motivational programs, creating new modules for specific clients, and providing career guidance. There are many things that I like about this field, such as assisting them in making decisions and choice regarding a way forward. But one thing I enjoy most is to conduct sessions with students using the theoretical counseling.
What extracurricular activities were you involved in campus? And what did you learn from all these activities?
From For 2 years in a row, I have been involved in committee member of Women Development, Volunteer Brigade, USIM, participant of webinar volunteering, participant of the Duke and Debuff International Award, and uniform representative in the National Women Development Coaching. I learned to manage time and adapt to new way of doing things.
What do you know about our company?
The name of company is Raffles College of Higher Education Sdn Bhd. The name of chief executive is Wan Azmi. The head office in Kuala Lumpur. Location of head office is number 662 Jalan Damai off Jalan Ampang 55000 Kuala Lumpur. The recent activity is having a booth to assist people on future study and explore career option and open to the public at the Mud Valley Exhibition Centre, Kuala Lumpur. Lastly, the strategies in the consultant is will participate in various sales and marketing activities to promote the programs.
How do you think you can contribute to the company as a new graduate?
I admit that as a new graduate, I only have internship experience. However, I believe that experience can be gained and knowledge can be learned. But a person with positive attitude toward other people and to work is a valuable asset. I believe that I have a very positive attitude toward work, challenge, and people. I have a deep interest in what I do. I do not mind volunteering my time for a good cause, and I usually go to extra mile just to be certain that I have done a job right.
What is your major weakness?
I am very meticulous person, but sometimes I kinda forget about where I put the information document. For example, I take out the information file for reference and keep it in an certain place when after referring to the information. However, to solve this problem, I have bought a shelf to place the document information. I will also try to put the file on the shelf after use. So far, this step have worked out very nicely.
What is your greatest strength?
I am empathy person, which is ability to understand the thought, feelings, or emotion of someone else. For example, I was felt called to help my friend when in trouble situation and help to make decision. So I think my strength will give benefit to company because help student to make decision on future study.
What you see about yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I could imagine that I will get many achievements in my career, such as successful education counselor, and among the students study in this college will increasing.
Why should we choose you to join our organization?
Beside my skill and qualification, I can communicate well. I will help the student and parent to make decision to further study in the right course. In addition, my key strength lies in my being a very enthusiastic team player. I am willing to work long hours in order to get a job done successfully and on time. These qualities are rare in a person and extremely crucial to any organization.
This is an option for me.
Yes, I do. Could you explain more about this job so I can clearly understand about the position more and done it effectively in the future?
Okay, thank you very much, Ms. Izzati. The company will be in touch with you later for any updates regarding this interview. Until then, have a nice day and thank you again.
Thank you, Ms. Hazira, for spending some time to interviewing me.